Dab on, dab on, dab on, dab on, dab on, dab on, dab on.
Hi my grubbies, I decided to come to y'all today with a video, something different. I know this is so strange. The name of this video is going to be Watch Me Eat While I Eat. I'm going to do a reaction video to one of my first mukbang videos, my first Five Guys burger video, where I was speaking. Because I used to do silent mukbangs, but then I came out of the closet, so to say, and did a speaking one. So here we go. He's here, coming to do a mukbang, and it's the mukbang that I said I was going to do from Five Guys Burgers. I went there today. Let's see, greasy. And I have been trying to just set up this camera, so you know what? I'm hungry, so I'm about to eat. They had a whole bunch of fries and more than that, but I'm gonna come back and back. And this is the burger. Ooh, that thing is big. Okay, I'm gonna unwrap it. So I'm gonna put the camera facing down so we can get this party started. Can you see the burger? Yes. Oh my God. No. So let's get started. This is the burger. Oh my God. I cannot wait to eat this. This has lettuce, tomatoes, pickles, mayonnaise, grilled onions, bacon. Ooh, let me show y'all that. Cheese. And then I got the seasoned fries. Got ketchup. Yeah. For the seasoned fries. I got jalapeno peppers on the side, which is fresh. Yummy. Got ketchup. And then the seasoned fries. I'm just gonna pour in the bag and show y'all. Okay. Same fries. Alright. So you know what? Let's eat. I forgot napkins. In my mouth, you can see me. My God, I swear by Jesus, I'm ordering me a tripod as soon as I get through making this video. Back to the food. So this is the fries, and that's the craving fries. My stuff is not kind of cold for me. Struggling. Oh my God. I was struggling trying to get the food and my hair and meat in the shot. Okay. Oh well. All y'all want to see is my mouth. The struggle. I'm drinking lemonade. It's good. Y'all, look at that. Ooh, I'm telling you. That's good, girl. That's good, girl. You having a Five Guy burger in your town? Go to it. Go to it. And get your burger. Get your burger. Whew. Look at this. It is so worth it. It's good, girl. Yes, peppers, jalapenos. Yum, 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 yum. This is the best.
Happy
So worth it. You know, yeah, I'm gonna have to get me a tripod. Like a little tiny one. So, I'm having trouble. Like trying to stack this up. They are so freaking good. Ooh, that's the Cajun fries. And that is all the way double burger.
Yes. It's so good. Yes. So good. So good.
Starting today, I am on a week's vacation.
Oh yeah.
So I'm gonna be off from the 2nd through the 10th. I'll go back to work on the 11th, and today is the 1st.
Easier.
If you are a fellow grubby,
Come on now.
foodie,
Foodie.
person who likes to eat,
Come on.
who likes to chew and munch, I'm
Yeah.
gonna tell you right now. Go
Come on. No.
to
Come on.
Five Guys. I think I'm gonna be spoiled. This gonna have to be once a month. Oh, look at that. Grilled onion.
My son.
You can tell I was hungry. I was struggling. Trying to get the food in the shot.
Come on.
And trying to get me in the shot. Cause I'm not like a professional.
Come on.
It was well worth it.
Here you go. Here you go. Wipe your mouth, girl.
They're not spicy. They like a. It is good. Got a little spice on it, yeah. I'm trying to put my bun on the side. Don't need the bun inside. You need the food inside. Like that. Yeah, I am killing this burger. Ooh, now let me give y'all a little shot of the last little few pieces.
I just can't. I'm done. Alright, my grubbies, how'd y'all like that video? I thought that was so cute to like do a reaction to your own mukbang, you know what I'm saying? And then, Lord Jesus, I have come such a mighty long way. I was like, I couldn't even put the food and the hair in the picture, but now I put the hair in the food. Hi! So I'm so glad that I have evolved into, let me just say, a better mukbanger. But only time's gonna keep on coming if I continue on this journey of being a mukbanger. What can come? It's gonna get better and better, y'all. Better equipment, better everything, you know what I'm saying? But you have to start somewhere. So I just wanted to go back and look at that video and watch myself eat while I ate some fries, you know what I'm saying? But if you like this video or this type of video, give this video a thumbs up, and your girl will do another one maybe, you know what I'm saying? And if you new to my channel, this is Time to Grow with Cherice, and I'm Cherice. I'm trying something new. I usually eat a lot, and I will be coming with a mukbang, but I was kind of just wanting to do a little snacky snack and do a reaction video of my own, my first talking mukbang. And I was glad I did. I didn't do the whole video, but y'all just let me know. Give me some feedback. Give me some comments how y'all like it, and we'll see what comes, okay? And always remember to what? Dab on your haters and sparkle on them. And I will see y'all when the next time it's time to grow. Bye, y'all.